Ho, 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 and welcome to the December update from the Tau team. You're here with me, Fola. And without further ado, let's get into the business team update. So I'll pass it over to Carolina for her update this month.
Thank you, Fola, and hi, everyone. So we are pretty much finished with the content for the new Tau website, and we've been finalizing the copy for Tau product page just this week, and we've been making some small headline tweaks as Igor is putting everything into design. So we have the opportunity to see what it looks like and what it's going to look like to you. We have also been working on an animated video that is going to explain the differences between traditional software development process and the Tau method. Jamie has been a lot of help with that. We'll be featuring this video on our website, and it should make it easier to understand the benefits of Tau in a bit less time. So hopefully before people get into the website, they'll spend like 30 seconds just to understand Tau at a glance. We are also still working on the new branding for Tau. We have received a few concepts from our designer, and we've been sharing feedback with him. Right now, it feels like we have a pretty good idea about what the new logo should convey. So we're just looking for the best form for it. So that has been my end of the year. Thank you.
All right, fantastic. Thanks, Carolina. I'll pass it over to Killian for his update for the month.
Yes, thanks, Fola, and hi, everybody. So this month, I mainly continued on the aggregation of venture capitalists in the scope for our Series A round, also doing some outreach. But then since we are also working on the website, in particular towards the later stage of the month, I halted the outreach, and we're basically waiting until the website is ready to again kickstart the outreach when the new year starts, and also continue with follow-ups. So now we have a pretty long list of VCs in the developer tools sector and the early stage sector. So that should make up a promising mix that we are able to reach out to once the new year starts. So by the time you probably see this video. Yeah, so I've also been providing feedback on the new website. It should be out soon, as Carolina shared. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me in terms of the community member of the month. Again, this is Andrew this time for his continued efforts in creating Tau-related YouTube shorts. So thank you so much, all of you, for this great year. Looking forward to the next year. And yeah, thanks.
Thanks so much, Killian. And I'll pass it over to Igor for his update this month.
Thank you, Fola. Hi, everyone. For this month, I was mainly working on a website design and development. As Carolina was preparing the content, Fola was also working towards with some of the animation that we're going to use for the video, as Carolina mentioned, but we are also going to use one part of the photo explaining the Tau process that's going to be on the homepage. We have also added a couple of new pages as well, and we also had to make some changes on the coding purely because of the responsiveness of the website. So we are nearly there when it comes to launching the website. And as for the video animation, I have prepared most elements that are needed for this design. We have already seen some of the first drafts, but we have to work towards with this video editor to make it better. And hopefully that will also be launched sometime early next year. And as for the pitch deck, as we already prepared majority of the stuff, we also have added a couple more edits. We're going to add a new page as well. And that's pretty much it from the design world that I had this month. And I'm being also in talks with one of the SEO or / technical marketing advisors who will be able to help us when it comes to some technical side on the website. And we also want to explore a couple of more like networking people from his side as well, since he has some connections when it comes to the venture capitalists and also the crypto investors. So that's it for me.
Thanks very much, Igor. And for me, as you've heard the rest of the business team, it's all about the website and the pitch deck and the fundraise and you guys. So those things really do help us get to what we want to be doing next year early is marketing with our new website and explanation of how Tau works and taunet and Agoras and how all these things come together. So it's been really helpful that we get this website up as soon as possible. You could even see a new website by the time you see this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it from the business team. Thank you all so much. It's been a great year. Next year, we have fantastic things on the horizon with the Tau language and the new site and all the marketing efforts that we've been preparing internally. So please continue to stay with us, stay tuned for the development team update. Thanks.